This instructional video will show how to add paper to the Kyocera PA4000cx printer. We will start by adding paper to the cassette. The cassette tray, sometimes referred to as cassette 1, is the tray at the bottom of the printer. Pull the cassette tray out of the machine. The cassette is set for letter-size paper at the factory. If you're using legal, folio, or officio 2 paper, resize the cassette by pressing this paper guide lock and extending the cassette. The paper indicator on the cassette sets actual paper size. You must rotate the selector with the cassette out of the machine to your desired paper size. We will be staying with letter size. Remove the paper from its packaging. Fan the paper to separate the sheets. Tap the paper stack on a flat surface to square up the pages. Load the paper by sliding the end of the paper stack toward the rear of the cassette. Ensure that paper is resting below these guides. Gently slide the tray all the way into the printer. This printer can print on a large variety of paper types, for example, plain and pre-printed paper. A full list of supported paper types and sizes can be found in the PA4000cx operation guide. To ensure that you get the highest quality of printing, it is important the printer is configured for the type of paper you're using. The machine is set at the factory for standard letter plain paper. For standard paper sizes, letter and legal, the cassette size dial will set the machine automatically for size. If you're using a non-standard paper size and/or media, refer to the PA4000cx operation guide. The MP tray, or multi-purpose tray, is found at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstocks, envelopes, and labels. Open the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to the paper sizes inscribed in the tray. Insert the paper print side up along with the paper width guides until it stops. If the paper type is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in the menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the control panel, select the menu key. From the control panel navigation keys, scroll to Paper Settings and press OK. Scroll to MP Tray, Set, and select OK. Scroll to the paper size and press OK. You can scroll to find other paper size options. In our case, we're going to be using letter paper. Press OK. Scroll to media type and select OK. Scroll to the type of media you will be using. Paper types are always printed on the paper box or protective paper wrapping. In our example, we're going to keep plain. Press OK. To return to the Ready Home screen, press the button under Exit. The machine will return to a ready state. You have now set paper size and type for the MP tray on the PA4000cx printer.